Hello student, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Student, today we are going to discuss about our chapter 12. Chapter name is Direction. In this video, I explain next part of this chapter. In previous video, I also explained some parts of this chapter. Okay student, in this chapter, we will be learn to about a direction and directional word like left, right, in front of, behind, and also we learn about a compass. What is a compass? A tools used to find the main direction. Okay, and we will be also know how we can use the position of the rising sun to find the direction. Okay student, firstly you know about our direction. Direction help us find someone or something by giving us their position or by showing us the position toward which we must move. Student, we use direction to go from one place to another place. Suppose that at school a new student want to find the bathroom. You could tell him to go the straight ahead and take a left to reach the bathroom. We use directional words like left, right, straight ahead, behind, and in front of to give direction. Okay, student? So, direction is the place or the position where something, someone is located, the path along which an object is moving, the position toward which an object faces. Okay? Student, some direction are fixed, so we cannot change it because we use directional words like left, right, straight ahead, behind, and in front of to give direction. We use the position of sun to find the main direction, so we cannot change it. One question for you. If ask an elder person to show you where is the east, use that to find the other three directions. Mark them on the ground. Okay? We can use the position of the sun in the sky to find direction. Every morning the sun rises in the east and in the evening time it sets in the west. Student, the sun rises in the east side and sets in the west side because there are four main directions: east, west, north and south. Okay? If we stand facing the rising sun, east lies in front of, west lies behind us, to our left lies north and our right lies south. Look this picture. This picture indicates by showing direction. This is a boy. This is a boy. He is standing on the ground, east side. He stands facing the rising sun. Okay? East lies in front of his. Okay? west lies behind him and left side north and right side south. Okay, this is showing the picture of four main directions by this boy. Okay, student, tell me what are the four directions of the earth? Your answer is east, west, north and south. We use the letter N for north, S for south and V for west to show each of the four directions north, south, east and west, E for east. Okay. We can also use a compass to find the direction. What is a compass? A compass is a tool used to find the mean direction. We can also use a compass to find the direction. The needle of the compass always pointing toward the north. Student, this is a compass. The needle of compass always point toward the north. Student, here east, west, south and north. So, always point toward the north of compass needle. Student, do you know a compass shows as direction? The oldest and simplest types of compass was made around 2000 years ago in China. First compass is made in China around 2000 years ago. Look this picture. This picture is a compass. Compass we can also use to find the direction. Student, in this chapter, we have learned about a direction. What is a direction? The place, the position where something, someone is located. This is direction. Direction help us find someone, something by giving us their position. By showing us the position toward which we must move. And also we know some directional words like left, right, straight, ahead, behind and in front of to give direction. Student, tell me four main direction. Your answer is east, west, south and north. Okay. We use a word to find the direction. Use N-E-W, yes. N for north, E for east and W for west and S for south. Student, we can find the direction about of our news. North, east, west and south. Okay? So you learn in this chapter what is the direction and types of direction and how we can use the position of rising sun to find the direction. Direction give information of the map. Direction are useful for driving. Time changes with the changing location of the sun. North is at the top, south is at the bottom. These days, many people use the GPS. GPS means Global Positioning System for getting direction to a place. So, you read this chapter and also you read about our direction and types of direction and how we can to find direction. Okay? Thanks, student.